And today Lizzie and I are going to be doing this handheld microscope. She has already been playing with this thing and has fallen in love. It's super cool. It goes from 50 to 1,000 time magnification. It's a really cool device for learning, doing research. It's rechargeable, so you can actually connect it to your phone, you can connect it to your computer, you can connect it to your iPad, Android, Apple, it doesn't matter. It connects to everything, and it connects wirelessly. And all you need is this little handheld device right here, and you just simply put it up on what you want to magnify. You have a zoom ring, which is right here, so you can zoom in. You have your controls right here for your brightness level of the light, because it does have a built-in light. You have a shutter button so you can snap photos and take videos. And you have a power button up here as well. And then you charge it through the USB-C on the back. Now, along with the actual microscope itself, you get a fully adjustable stand, because if you don't want to hand hold it, you can lock it in here and put different things underneath it to look at it very much zoomed in. Then you'll get a lens cap, a calibration card, and your instruction booklet. Now we've already connected this to my phone, and Lizzie actually did all that all by herself. She installed the app, she got the thing working, and it was just super easy and quick. And what we have is she went outside and got us a couple samples that we can zoom in on and take a really close look at. And we're going to go ahead and point the camera down and play with this a little bit. So, you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's do it. All right, so here's the device right here. We're going to have it connected on my phone, so I'm just going to place my phone right here where you can see it and we can see it. We're going to go ahead and power this up. We're going to wait for it to connect back to my phone. So we're now connected. I'm going to put the phone right there. Can you see it, Lizzie?
Yes.
So we're going to go ahead and try to, do you want to use the stand or do you want to just do it handheld?
I'll just do it handheld.
All right, let's do it. Let's take a close look at a leaf. Go ahead and tune her in. And if you notice on the app right here as well, you have basically like an overlay that you can pull up to help you target what you're trying to look at. You can turn that off and on. Then you have your shutter button for stills, and then you have a video record button as well. And you can see her zooming in quite far. Now the image is in 1080p high definition. The images do look extremely clear. And check that out. Now you can just kind of slide it around and look at different parts of the leaf. You can see the decay in this leaf. Go ahead and take a photo on the phone app. There you go. We just snapped a quick photo of this. All right, what else do you want to look at? Here, let's put it on here. Let's try the standout so everybody can see how that works. And now we can, so there's the rock, and we can adjust it. Oops. Is that zoomed in all the way? And look at that. That's a very up close look at that rock. Go ahead and take another photo, Lizzie. Okay, so what do you want to see next?
Mud.
Mud time. And now we can see the little micro plant. And this is basically just a pile of mud from outside.
Ew.
Ooh, what is that? Here, take a picture of the mud.
Picture.
So you can see it's a nice complete little kit. It's great for schoolwork. It's great for just fun and exploring. If you do field research, you can take it out in the field with you so you can get a closer look at water and microorganisms and insects and things like that. And it's just a really cool, handy little device. Lizzie loves looking at things under the microscope. It's just because she has several microscopes, and I think this is going to be her new favorite one because it's completely cordless to the phone, and it's the size of a flashlight, so it's super portable. There's no wires, there's no bothers. You just turn it on, it connects right away to the phone. It allows you to see a tiny, tiny world much, much bigger. We hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.